Welcome to our new podcast on which we are talking about OPD with none other than Abhishek Kumar. Hi Abhishek.
Thank you.
So Abhishek, I'll start with the first question. What is OPD?
So OPD, अगर मैं इसको full form की बात करूँ, it's a outpatient department. There are two kinds of department in healthcare. One is called IPD, which is inpatient department, which is when you go to the hospital, जो उसमें आप hospitalized होते हो, that time that entire process comes under IPD, which is inpatient department. And when you go to the doctor, okay, whether inside the hospital or you go to the any clinic, that's called as a outpatient department. And outpatient department means doctor consultation plus the other services that you are taking, which is called pharmacy, the lab test, the pathology and radiology scans, all comes under that. So that is the OPD part.
So why is OPD important?
In healthcare, OPD is the most important. In fact, IPD is used once in a 10-year or 5 years span by any household. Even when you buy a health insurance, ऐसा नहीं है कि health insurance use every year. So whenever you have any disease or because of some illness you get hospitalized, but before going to the hospitals, you always go to the doctor first. And when you go to the doctor first diagnose your entire problems, understand the problems, and then he prescribes some medicine. And in India, we have seen that out of every 5 prescriptions, the 3 prescription also carry the diagnostic test. So normally, doctor asks for the certain test, blood test or pathology test, or even a scans like ultrasound and all. And basis that they give the another medicines. And then you go to buy the medicine from the chemist shop. So again, you incur the cost on it. So first you have incurred a cost in a doctor wherein you have paid a fee for the prescription, then go to the chemist shop and buy the medicines. Beside that, you are going to take a blood test, you are paying there also, and these all costs currently do not covered by any plans. Few insurance companies are offering such plans. Few companies in India also offers OPD plans, but that is a very very limited kind of plans are there. Currently in India, the OPD market has is now almost touching 2 lakh crore. 2 lakh crore is the market like people has done out of pocket expenses. And when you see the health insurance market last year, as per IRDA report, it was roughly around 1.16 lakh crore. This is the premium which health insurance industry has done. But when you see that OPD expense part, it is touching around 2 lakh crore.
So we are spending more on OPD.
So we are spending more. So it's but natural because out of let's say for an example, when a person out of 100 prescriptions, hardly 1 or 2% go to the hospital because of the illness which is not controlled by the doctor medicines also or needs hospitalizations.
Can we say OPD is like even if you have a common cold, that is covered in OPD?
Of course. So anything which wherein you think that you are not well and you are going for a medicine. So normally now even as per the guideline, now for any medicine to buy, you have to go with the prescriptions. From where you will get the prescription? Of course, you will go to the doctor and then you have to pay the fee for it. तो normally क्या होता है? Normally अगर कभी हम बीमार पड़ते हैं तो normally we go to the medicine shop and say that कि I have this problem and they give you few medicines. But that is not the right way of doing the healthcare. You should go to the doctor and get the doctor and tell the entire your problem and then they prescribe the medicines. So such expenses are not covered by anyone, and that is a huge market because out of pocket expenses is increasing day by day.
Right now you spoke about insurance and how not most penetration, but like what is the scope you can say like right now in the market?
So in India, the OPD current penetration rate as per the reports which are available is around 0.1 or 0.2% of 2 lakh crore that someone is spending. Means people are having those kind of OPD cover. But like this is pure under penetrated market. No one is there currently. and people are willing to have such OPD plans. If someone will offer, definitely they will. There is a market for it, and there is a huge expense people are already doing on it. If in spite of having the health insurance, people do not enjoy the OPD cover. One has to pay the OPD cover out of pocket as an out of pocket expenses, and that is something which is burning their pockets as well, because that's the income that you are burning towards the OPD cover in spite of having the health insurance. So OPD cover is the ask currently, and there is a demand. There is a huge demand in India. Outside India, there are many countries who offer such plans. Okay, in India now we should look for such plans because of the opportunity that we have, and to foresee that how people can curb their out-of-pocket expenses, which is currently hovering around 2 lakh crore.
Last question for this is that, so there is teleconsultation that is usually there, but what is the scope of that? Because OPD is also one of the things that cover teleconsultation.
देखो ऐसा होता है कि लाइक ओपीडी में क्या है, ओपीडी मीन्स यू गो एंड मीट अ डॉक्टर. ओके, ओपीडी also means that you go and consult online. Okay, when you are meeting a physical doctor, normally you go to the within the vicinity of where you live. जहाँ आप रहते हो उसके 2-3 किलोमीटर के एरिया में you go and visit your doctor or your own family doctor. Okay, the benefit of online consultation is that you are sitting in Delhi or sitting in some tier 2 or tier 3 or tier 4 town of India. Let's say you are sitting in a place called Jorhat in Assam, and he is willing to do a consultation in someone good doctor in Delhi. Okay, he has a two option: take a flight, come here and do the consultation. And the best part is just on a click of a teleconsultation, he can have the face-to-face consultation like a video consultation. He can have a telephonic consultation as well.
And with this, we come to an end to our podcast. If you enjoyed it, please like our video and subscribe to our channel.